This channel was able to gather more than 13 million subscribers on its channel. Mesmerizing? Of course. With the development of neural networks, you can create such videos in just 5 minutes a day using any device, be it a PC, phone, or tablet. You can do it anywhere. And according to Social Blade, the channel earns from $8,000. It's great. We only need 2 neural networks that are completely free. Watch my video to the end and you will be able to do the same. First of all, we turn to Google Bard. I log in through my Google account. After everything is loaded, I insert a hint into the chat. I developed it personally and I will share it with you in the comments. When Google Bard says that he is ready, then you can proceed to the next request. I tell him that I need a boy who sits on the window in lo-fi style. The Bard will need time, and after that he will give 3 maximally elaborated hints for generation in different styles. We are interested in the second one. We have received an excellent software for generating images, and we have almost everything ready. The matter remains small. You can really do everything in a couple of minutes a day. So I have already logged into my account on Leonardo AI. I go to the image generation tab. Leonardo's advantage is that he gives 150 tokens to new accounts every 24 hours. Meanwhile, we set the screen ratio to 16:9 and select the generation model. There's not much left. We go to the Google bar and copy from there the prompt that suits us. It is located in the middle. Next, go to Leonardo and you just need to insert it into the Erase Unnecessary Part field and generate it. We wait for the result and get a gorgeous picture. You can view them and choose which one you like. As you can see, we have already achieved good results. But what if I tell you what's best? After all, Leonardo has a new feature. Look further. And so, we're going to animate the picture now. You need to finally decide on the picture. I did this. Hover the cursor over the desired result and find the button with the film, click on it, and I can choose the degree of animation. I leave everything as it is, press generate. After a while, I get an animated picture of us and I can send it to my PC. Did you see that? It's just great. Now let's write music and the neural network will help again. Well, it's very easy to create music. For this you need to go to the Malbert website. I have already logged in with a Google account. Next, you choose the type of lo-fi generation and be sure to set the timing to 4:30. All you have to do is start generating. When it is finished, click on the download arrow and go to the tab with your downloads. There, click on the arrow again and you are already downloading the sound to your PC. We did a lot of work before we even started. And it remains for us to edit all this and make a wonderful video, which I will now successfully help you with. Let's get started. So we got to start editing the video. Click on the import button and add our animation and music. Now we transfer the music to the timeline and add our animation on top of it. We can copy and paste it using the Ctrl+C key combination and paste Ctrl+V, so you have to stretch the length of the video to 30 minutes. I start stretching. And when I'm done, I can add transitions to the videos by going to the Transitions tab. I transfer them between videos, but since I don't want that, I just delete them. Let's add dynamics. For this I go into Effects and add a scanning effect on top of the entire animation. That's how we managed to create a video. Let's click on Export, enter the name, and save the video. So we created a video. Let's take a look at a fragment of what we managed to create. Such a video turned out, only it is much longer. Thanks to this you will be able to achieve monetization faster. You will have a higher RPM due to the fact that the rollers are long. And you will also have the opportunity to conduct live broadcasts with donations. I wish everyone good luck in creating content. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and turn on notifications. See you soon.